Good morning, dear children. In this video, we are going to revise lesson 3, the noun number. Noun can be singular or plural. There can be singular noun or noun can be a plural noun. Let us learn what is singular noun and what is a plural noun. A noun which stands only for one person, animal or thing is said to be in a singular number. Noun which indicates only one person, thing or animal, that is singular in number. And the noun which stands for more than one person, animal or thing is said to be in a plural number. The noun which indicates more than one person, animal or thing. Singular noun indicates one person, animal or thing, and plural noun indicates more than one person, animal or thing. So noun can be singular or plural in number. Dear children, in this chapter we will learn about singular, plural and as well as the formation of plural nouns. How we form plural nouns. We studied what is singular and what is plural. Let us see the examples. Singular noun, for example, a pen. A pen, it indicates one pen. A or an indicates to one thing. And here a pen is one. We are talking about one thing. And when we say pens, it means more than one pen. Here we are talking about more than one pen. It can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 15, whatever. So, the thing, person or animal which indicates one, that is singular in number, and which indicates more than one is plural in number. Let us see the formation of plurals. Let us learn about the formation of plurals. My dear children, there are certain rules regarding the formation of plurals. The first one is by changing F or FE into VES. When into VES. My dear children, when the noun is ending in F or FE, we add VES with it. We just drop F or FE and add VES with it. For example, wife. Here this noun is ending in F or FE. It is ending in FE. So when we change it into plural form, FE is changed into VES. Wives. FE is changed into VES. For example, knife. Knife word is also ending in FE. So when we make it plural, FE is changed into VES. KNIVES. FE is changed into VES. Let us see one more example. Calf. Calf is ending in F. When we make it plural, it becomes calves. F is changed into VES. So, this is one of the rules. When the word is ending in F or FE, it changes into VES. The second rule is by adding es to the singular. By adding es to the singular number. My dear children, when nouns ending in s, ss, ch, sh or x, we add es to make them plural. When our noun is ending in s, ss, ch, sh or x, we add es to make it plural. For example, class. The word class is ending with double s. So, it becomes classes. For example, the word box, it is ending in x. So, it becomes boxes. The word church ending with ch, it becomes churches. So always remember, when the singular noun is ending in s, ss, ch, sh or x, we add es with it to make a plural noun. Now, let us see the next rule. By adding s to the singular when noun ending in y has a vowel before it, we add s to the noun when it is ending in y. When the noun is ending in y, has a vowel before it. If your word is ending in y and just before y comes any vowel, in that case we just add s with the word. Let us see the example. The word boy. Boy is ending in y and before the y the vowel o comes. Ending in y and before the y the vowel o comes. So we just add s with it to make it a plural. Another example, key ending in y and before y the vowel e comes. So we just add s with it to make it plural. It becomes keys. Now let us see the fourth rule. By changing y into I and adding es. My dear children, in the previous rule we studied, when the word is ending in y and before y comes any vowel, we just add s to make it plural. But in this rule we will learn something else. When the word is ending in y, for example, army, ending in y, but before the y comes a consonant. M is a consonant. So in this case, y is changed into I and we add es with it. It becomes armies. Y is changed into I, then we are adding es with it to make it plural. Always remember, when the word is ending in y and before the y comes any consonant, Y is changed into I and then we add ES with it to make it a plural. Let us see another example. Fairy. Fairy is ending in Y and before the Y comes a consonant. So Y will be changed into I. Fairies. It becomes fairies. Clear? Okay. Now let us see the next rule. The fifth one is by adding es to the noun ending in o. Adding es to the noun ending in o. It means when the noun is ending in o, we add es with it to make it a plural. For example, mango. Mango is ending in o, so we add es with it. It becomes mangoes. Then hero is ending with o, so it becomes heroes. But my dear children, there is an exemption from this rule for some of the words. For some of the words, this rule is not applicable. Though they are ending in o, but still we do not follow this rule. This kind of words we all need to memorize. For example, photo. Though it is ending in o, but we do not follow this rule. There is an exemption. So this kind of rules words we should memorize. Photos, we just add s with it. We do not follow this rule which is given here. So these kind of words we should memorize. One more example we can see, piano. Piano is ending in o, but we just add s with it to make it plural, pianos. Let us see the next rule now. By changing the internal vowel, changing the internal vowels. For example, foot. The internal vowels are double O. So it becomes feet. Double O is changed into double E. For example, tooth. It becomes teeth. Double O is changed into double E. Let us see the next rule. By adding en with the words, by adding en. For example, ox. We add en with it to make it plural, oxen. The next is some of the letters, figures and abbreviations are made plural by adding s. Some of the letters, figures or abbreviations. For example, MP. MP becomes MPs. We add s with it. MA. MA becomes MAs. These are the abbreviations. We just add s with them to make them plural. Let us see. In some of the compound nouns, compounds have plurals by adding s to the first element. In the compound nouns, we add s to the first element, to the first word to make it plural. For example, brother-in-law. It is a compound noun. What is the first element? Brother. The first word in this is brother. So we add s with the first element to make it plural in number. Brothers in law becomes brothers-in-law. The same way, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, sister-in-law, sisters-in-law, commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Now, the next rule is, in some of the compounds have plural by adding s to the last element, to the last part. In some of the compound nouns, we add s to the last part to make it plural in number. For example, stepson. It is a compound noun. Stepson. In this word, we will add s with the last part of the compound noun. So it will become stepsons. Its plural is stepsons. And my dear children, always remember, some nouns are in pair. Noun in pairs. We use pair nouns for something made of two parts which are the same. Look at the following words. Jeans. Jeans which we wear, that is having two parts. So, for example, pajamas. Pajamas is having two parts. Pants, trousers, spectacles. Then glasses, scissors. All these things are having two parts. So, a pair noun is plural and takes a plural noun. These nouns are always in a plural form. Jeans. We don't say jean. Pants. We don't say pant. It is always pants. We don't say trouser. It is always trousers. We don't say spectacle. It is always spectacles. We don't say glass. It is always glasses. Scissor we don't say. It is always scissors. And with these kind of pair nouns, we use the plural verb. For example, my jeans need washing. We never say my jean. We say my jeans. So, my dear children, all these points we have studied in this chapter. We studied about the singular noun and the plural noun, as well as the different rules for making singular noun into plural noun, for changing singular into plural. The formation of plural we have learned in this chapter. So, my dear children, learn the definitions of singular and plural as well as all the exercises given in your chapter. Thank you.